Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change time duration of our notification reminder in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we have to go to settings, then in notifications we have advanced settings, and here we have our notification reminders. By default it's turned off, but if we want to change any options, we need to turn this function on. And here we have, we can choose any from this 4 time intervals. We don't have custom ones, but we have a fairly wide range here. And that's it. No need to save. Just back out and it's done. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.